Everybody knows. So this is the front of my RV. It's blue and white. I kind of thought about naming it Sapphire. I don't know why, but that may not stick. But it's a Forester. So I'm in love. It's over. Everybody knows the good guys lost. Everybody knows the fight was fixed. The poor stay poor. The rich get rich. That's how it goes. Everybody knows. Everybody knows.
Your water pump, so you only really want to use that if you don't have city water connection. Okay. So if you're just going off your tank, because it's going to pump the water out of your tank.
Gotcha.
If you're just using city water,
we don't need to do it.
Yeah, you don't need it. Your table, I already put it up for you. But it's super easy to get up and down.
Okay, gotcha.
Literally just lift it up.
Okay, hey you guys, this is my RV. I forgot to show you the outside, but I walked in and I was like, oh, I need to record. So this is her, him, it. I haven't named it yet, but I'm working on that. It's just what I wanted. The light interior, you guys knew that, and then little refrigerator. And oh, you guys, this just made my fucking day. And I know this is a weird thing to make your day, but I hate graded shelves. Oh,
nice.
Oh.
Heck yeah. Oh, yes.
Oh.
That's awesome.
I know that's not like anything you guys did,
it's
but
weird.
I hate graded shelves, and this is not graded. They're just solid. Because everything, I mean, it doesn't
sit on it right.
Girl, give me some.
I understand.
No,
I feel you so much there.
I knew she was the one for me. I knew it before I even saw it. So yes, this is my camper. The slides, of course, are not out. TV, yeah, just showing you guys. Oh, look at this. I love it. And then, oh, yay. Oh, look at that. Isn't it cute? He's so cute. I really love everything about her so far. I really do. It, her, him, whatever. This is my bed. It's folded up, y'all, but this is my bed. So the slide has to come out, and then the bed goes back, and it's like a mattress that sits in. It's like a wedge thing that happens. And then this is my little bathroom. Look how little it is. But how cute is it, though, y'all? Oh my God. I can get in here, though. Watch me get in the shower. Let me show y'all. And I love the fact that the shower has these things, little cubby things. So this the shower. It's little, but you know, I'm gonna be in this bitch, washing and doing. I can get in and get what I need done. So that's, oh, ow, that's where we are. Oh my gosh. Oh, bitch bought an RV. Y'all, I bought a whole RV. Oh my God. Okay. Yes. And then we got cute little storagey stuff. Oh my goodness. Okay. I ain't got no space for nothing because, you know, I got too much stuff for everything. But, you know, that just means...
You'll find like weird places for storage. You really will.
I'm going to have to. You know, that bed is going to actually be some storage too. Oh, that's pretty cool.
There you go.
There's some storage there. Huh.
Like I said, you'll find some really weird places for storage.
That's pretty cool though.
I don't know. Generally they do. I don't know if this one will.
Oh, it has like storage underneath. It may not because of the way it folds.
There.
Okay. I mean, it is what it is at this point. I'm gonna make do with what I have.
They go under the chairs.
That's cute. But no, this whole section up here above it's gonna be storage. Oh, we're gonna do it like, you see this little cubby here that you put the mesh over? My stepfather's gonna do that for me. Put a mesh over there, and it's gonna be storage too.
Nice.
All of my clothes are gonna go, and my shoes.
Yeah.
Got to.
I'm a girl. I'm a girl. So there you go. Until next time, y'all go eat and do something new.